Welcome traders to the Polaris Trading Group PTG University Indicator Review. Today's indicator we'll look at is Time Trade Zones, TTZ. These are specific time zones that repeatedly coincide with price turning points. Most traders trade only price, but more astute, successful traders understand that there are specific time pivots that occur on a regular basis throughout the session. Our trade time zones highlight important periods during the day where probabilities favor directional moves. If you have never used time zone pivots, you are missing an important edge that professional traders have been using for years. So let's go to the charts and take a look at what they look like. Okay, we're taking a look at a 1-minute chart of the S&P E-mini here from March 28th, 2014. And the time zone pivots that we have showing are colored in yellow. And there's two versions. We can use a time zone bar, which paints right on the price bars, or we can use a time zone ribbon if you prefer, and that is painted down below in a subgraph window. I've displayed both of them here to show the flexibility of the display. What we want to point out though specifically is these time zones that repeatedly coincide with price turning points. And what I've done is I've marked key turning points throughout the day, and as you can see very clearly here, they do coincide with specific time zones. So as price rotated up here in the morning, reached the peak right up into the time zone, and then we got a little bit of a pullback, right, followed by an actual low here. I did not mark this one, but then pushed back up once again, time zone high, price high, and then we get a reversal back again on a low, once again on the flip side, and then again as the market was making lower highs into the afternoon period, each bounce was coincided with a time zone high pivot. And then as it was late in the session, market put in a low pretty much right where it was anticipated in terms of a time zone within the context of that time zone, and you see that we got a double bottom late in the day. This is not an anomaly. Okay, this happens on a regular basis now. Does it happen, specifically to the upper tick or lower tick? No, because they are time zones. Right, we're looking for a period in which we're looking for a response from the large institutional traders to make perhaps a counter trend or a counter price move, right, putting in a high pivot or a low pivot. But as the day unfolds, we want to be aware of specific time zones that the big institutions will be looking to trade during and become much more active. This, along with some traditional indicators and levels and methodology, really enhance traders' methodologies, okay, especially here at Polaris Trading Group. So something that if you have not ever used time zone pivots, you want to make it at least a core part of your trading. All right, that's it. I hope it helps, and good trading.